When you're dark now, nobody go to bed, the light off, it's really dark. Yeah, man. Yo, me just there and I said to myself, say, remember when me live a country with my granny, she used to raise a whole heap of white fowl. She used to have one big coop and we used to have to feed the fowl them and go look water grass for them and all them something. And she used to have a little pan the land further up on the fowl coop up on the hill there. And the land there so she plant yellow yam, sweet potato and thyme and them something there. And we used to live up there with her. But when they move, I never live up there no more. After a long time, I made it with my mother. So this long time, one day, I come look fair, man. I said, Granny, I come look fair, man, really. And she was happy to see me, but really, I come thief to the fold them. I don't know why most of us are fold thief, but I love fold them, man. I like to cook them and eat them. So I grab two of the fold now and put them in one bag. And then there, like one of them, and I'm gone. Take the phone when I gone and reach down at Woodby. I walk all the way down and I reach all the way down at Woodby and I reach a couple of St. Margaret's Bay them time there. And when I reach at Woodby, I have the two phones on the bag or whatever. And I stand up and talk to one woman or whatever. But I know one of the phones end up escape, but when I phone him escape out of the bag, left one phone in the bag, I make it grab the bag and tie the bag, but I don't know how. When I phone him escape out of the bag and the phone went out in the road. And me I tell us the phone take off in the road, you know. And traffic in the road, you know. And a lot of people out there, cause you know, are right in front of like a marketplace there, so the phone take off out of the road and everybody I look for me, I try catch a phone, and me I try catch a phone. Me I run up on the square, I try catch a phone, the phone I run all over the blasted place. Me I try catch a phone. You see, and then I see a couple of people now what me know and know my grandmother, they were laughing like, oh my God. So, next thing me know now, one of them gone to my granny and I want to go see my granny. I say, Miss Annie, Lord God, Miss Annie, if I give you a joke, you see. You know, so what your granddaughter, they come steal the two phone where you give her for carry home. One the phone them get you on this crazy Miss Annie, and I hell for catch the phone like this. So my granny turned to her and said, me not give Olivet no phone. You see Olivet with two phone? The woman say, yes, me see her with two phone. And one of them get one of the square, two white fowl. So granny say, wait, a thief me fowl. Let me tell you something, man. Me carry them fowl home and me cook them up and the fowl them sweet me. And then my brother just come in next day and grab me and start to beat me. So why me thief granny fowl? Me not understand. You still granny raise them fowl. And she have a lot of fowl and she can't count. So me not see the problem if me thief the two little white fowl with the big disgrace about the two little fowl. The fowl run out on the square, me tell her that was the evidence. And the church sister woman go right back and tell her. And my grandmother was a funny woman, you know. Because one time she said my brother go buy fish down at Oatby, down at seaside, and we have a content for walk. And she want to buy parrot fish, me never forget. She love parrot fish. And I turned to my brother and said, when I get a parrot fish, I buy any fish I can get and can go give her. And he said, that's right. By the time we went up to a seaside, thank God we get the parrot fish. And we come back. When we come back up, as we reach the gate, Granny say, Olivet? I say, yes, Granny. You get the fish? I say, yes, ma'am. What kind of fish you get? I say, parrot fish, ma'am. Oh, you're lucky. I was going blaze on her ass tonight, you see. Because one of my church sisters here, you know, when no walk, I go to talk about if I not get the fish, not buy the fish. And I wait for the carry back in the fish, I can't come give me. And I get the right fish, I tell them to go buy. I was waiting pound, I'm not lucky tonight. So me tell you, and a bush of years, a people of years, and a bush.